Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing one recipe which I took for the potluck, and also I will be sharing Mooli Paratha or radish paratha recipe. Two recipes I will be sharing in detail today. Now quickly let's get started. For making Mooli Paratha, I have taken 3 large radishes, nicely peel them, wash them and make cubes of this kind, because my job of grating is done by our food processor. I will grate in no time, just 5 minutes time all the radishes will be done. For grating you have two options, either thin or thick. I did it on the thin side, nice and fine. Now I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, nicely give it a good mix and leave it for half an hour. After half an hour, you will see that radishes has released lot of liquid, 1 full large cup of water. This water I don't know what to do. Even after that, I will just squeeze out all the radish this way. You can see even after squeezing this way, you will get 1 full large another cup of water. I will discard both the cups. I don't know what to do. If any of you use this water for any recipe or just simply or good for health, just let me know in the comments. But today I will be just showing you how much water it comes out of it. Now in that grated radish, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon jeera powder, quarter teaspoon of carom seeds, that is ajwain, salt to taste, and a lot of coriander. Now I will be adding wheat flour. Wheat flour I will be adding totally 4 cups. In this, one important thing you should remember that radishes will be keep on releasing liquid. Now in the beginning you will find difficult to bring all the dough together. I will use little bit of oil also while mixing. In just 5 to 10 minutes it will start releasing water again, and that water itself is more than enough for the dough to come together in a nice good soft dough form. Don't mix it and leave it. If you find it very difficult, leave it for 5 minutes. It will release water, and again if you knead the dough, it will come together like this. Use little bit of oil to make the surface smooth and leave it. Do not leave it for a little longer. Just 5-10 minutes is okay. Instantly start making rotis. For making this portions like this, right, either use flour or oil. It will be little bit sticky. Don't add too much flour also. If you add too much of wheat flour, right, the flavor of that radish will not be there. We want real good taste of radish. You know the health benefits of this radish. Very healthy, high in protein, very rich in fiber, very healthy, and double in taste also. Rotis will be very soft also, because the water content of radish itself will keep the rotis really soft. How we normally fry the chapati or paratha, that way only I am going to fry today. Little bit of oil I will be using while frying, or simply you can make it like chapati or pulka and apply little bit of ghee. That way also it will work perfectly fine. If you are making these parathas in large quantity, don't keep the dough as such in the fridge. Make all the parathas halfway done at least and keep, so that when you are going to serve, once more you can fry it and also give. But don't keep the raw dough like how we will keep for rotis and all, right. That way don't do it in the fridge. Usually for these kind of parathas and all, I will serve either with yogurt and achar, that is pickle. But today I made chana masala. Hope you all liked this recipe. If you have liked this recipe, so far you have watched it, please give a thumbs up to my video. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Next day I started preparing for a potluck. That is, I am making chicken cutlet. For that I have taken 1 full kg of boneless chicken. In that, small onion, tomato, little bit turmeric powder, chilies, salt, pepper and little bit of coriander with little water only. I am just going to cook it on steam for 2 to 3 steam. That's it. Now what I am making is tomato puree. When I went for shopping there, overripe tomatoes at a low cost. Too many tomatoes were there. Instantly, whenever I see these offers, I never miss out. I bring it, nicely make a tomato puree this way and store it in the bottle. You can use it all week long. You can use this tomato puree in different recipes. Now for preparing chicken cutlet, I have taken 1 full kg of potatoes, boiled, peeled, and nicely I will mash them and keep aside. Now after boiling the chicken, I will be taking only chicken pieces and shredding it in the food processor again. That soup I will be using it for making our dinner. In dinner I will be making chicken soup, chicken noodle soup, that also I will share. Now I will be just giving a pulse, 1 or 2 pulse. Don't make it too thin, just it should be like string like texture you need for this chicken. See, 1 full kg potato, 1 full kg chicken, just little handful of chicken shredded I am adding in that soup for making our dinner soup. That's it. Now in a large open tawa, right, I have taken oil and 4 onions, small size onions only, 4, chop and nicely fry them. 1 full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, until the raw smell of onions, ginger garlic paste and turmeric has to go. Don't need to brown it or too much fry it, only the raw smell should go, that much only. After that I will be adding it in potato and chicken, and I have taken garam masala, jeera powder, chili flakes, salt to taste. That's all. These are the simple ingredients, and this is fennel seed, that is saunf, 1 full tablespoon. Nicely crush it and add it to the chicken mix, and lot of coriander. You would have seen 1 full bunch of coriander I have added in it. Always coriander will add the taste only. Now all the ingredients are in, and I will give it a nice mix. Always hand is our best tool. Nicely give it a good mix. Now here I will be making small balls of same size I want to make the cutlets. So beforehand I do every time when I make the cutlets. Now equal proportion I am taking for this corn flour and breadcrumbs. Equal proportion, nicely mix it and keep it aside. 2 eggs with milk I have just beaten it up and kept. Now take that cutlet and just give an egg wash, and I will be coating it with the breadcrumb, that is with the corn flour and breadcrumb. That's it. All the cutlets today I will be making in oval shape, no round shape. This I am going to take for potluck. I am making it especially for taking it to the potluck, but whenever I make like these things, right, I make it extra and freeze them for our house also. These cutlets and all, you can make it and freeze it and keep it in your freezer for all month long. But till full month and all, it never stays. Quickly it flies off. This way very easily you can make cutlets and freeze them. I am going to cover it up with cling foil and again give another layer on top and keep them in the freezer overnight. For freezing and all, overnight you freeze them and shift it into the Ziploc bag next day. Next day I have potluck also, so I will be frying this in the morning. Now you see, this is the chicken soup I was telling about. I added little bit extra water and Maggi noodles I have added, and our chicken soupy noodles are very much ready for the dinner. This same clear soup you can use for just simple clear pepper soup, or even nice traditional desi type of chicken soup recipe I have already shared on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description box, or check my Instagram link also, you will get. I'm sure you will like that soup recipe also. Next day morning, all these are frozen and I am going to fry the cutlets which I have to take for the potluck, and rest all I will be packing this way in the Ziploc, and I will keep back in the freezer for our day-to-day use. Generally, I keep these kind of shami kebab, chicken kebab or patties and all for packing school tiffin box also. So I have made it in large quantity for making sandwiches for school, or even for tea time also in the evening. See the size of the cutlets, nice and large. Shallow frying is always good for cutlets. Any cutlets or shami kebab, shallow frying. So do fry in low medium flame. Do not fry them in high flames, because as they are frozen, they have to cook through inside. It will take approximately 10 minutes to 15 minutes on each and every side. So patiently you fry them so that it will come out very nicely without any breakage from sides and all. Now I will garnish it on a nice beautiful tray with lot of lettuce on it. You see, very beautiful large cutlets they are, as it is for the party, right? I made little bigger in size. At the end, I will share few clips from our potluck party also for all of you to enjoy. I'm sure you will love it. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video and liked the recipes too. If you like these recipes and tried it, sure leave your valuable review in the comment. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and do sure give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.